Handy forexnews is essential for traders. Enjoy this fresh update. Uruguay's manufacturing sector recorded a negligible decrease of 0.002 in output in November 2020 compared to the same month the previous year, representing a slight improvement from the 5.3 decline noted in October. The primary contributors to this downward trend were the paper and paper products sector, with a sharp decline of 14.0, followed by a 12.3 reduction in rubber and plastic products and a 17.1 drop in products derived from metal, excluding machinery and equipment. Conversely, sectors such as beverages experienced a significant production increase of 11.6, chemicals rose by 10.2, and machinery and equipment saw a remarkable rise of 28.8. Labor market indicators also reflected a downturn. The hours worked index decreased by 1.8, while the employed personnel index fell by 0.9. The material has been provided by robotfx.org. Capture price channel breakouts with the price channel expert advisor. Precise entries and exits. Explore now. Stay informed and trade smarter with RobotFX products. Discover more at robotfx.org.